Welcome back, and today we are going to be putting together the coin acceptor. So we'll be wiring it up, setting it up, and then we're going to have that very nice iconic look for the cabinet. It will be actually functional. Let's get on with it. You might remember in episode 4 at building the cabinet that we had made this hole in the front cabinet to then have the coin acceptor door sort of mounted. I got my coin acceptor from AliExpress. The price doesn't seem like it's jumped too much at the moment, so you can purchase from here, and this is how we install it. The coin acceptor is put into the coin door, looking very nice. Bring the light over. It's so dark. Hey, now you can see the labels quite clearly on the side. With the power, with the coin, with the ground, and we have a counter. So I'm going to plug these in and show you where they go. Here's a lovely diagram that my neighbor Stuart had made for me, and I did a little bit of edit to it because I added the plunger to this. So let's have a look at that one. So we can focus on the black at the moment. So we have our black that is connected to the plunger, and it's also connected to the coin acceptor and the KL25Z. Here I have the wiring. You have a black on the single feet there. The black here actually runs into here, and then that runs into the black onto the board, which is the second one from the second set, the outside. Then this earth, this ground, also runs into the coin feeder. Now let's look at the red. It comes from the plunger and it goes to the board, to the PV3V pin. And while it's doing that, it needs to then bridge using one of those resistors that would then be attached to the white wire. It will be running from the coin acceptor to the board, which will be labeled PTB3. Red runs with power and to here. Where it has a resistor that goes to the white, this red power then goes to the, I'm trying to say, that board, where this white coin acceptor pulse. The pulse goes from here when the coin gets fed in here. This pulse goes here, and that white goes onto the board, which I have chosen between the third pin down on the outside of the board, which is the PTB3. And I'll need to go into the VPX preference to assign it as a button. Then we have the ground that leads from the coin acceptor, and then that runs all the way around to this set of grounds. So this set of ground is all to do with 12 volts. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to keep it as that. And this ground then goes to this power source's ground, which is a 12 volt. And the last but not least, the purple one, and then we connect that to the PTB0. Is purple, and that feeds into KL25Z, goes onto this side. Purple goes onto that last outside pin, and that was the last of the wiring. So now we can test it out if we have everything plugged in. And just want to stress the point that resistor, you need to make sure that that direction is correct. So check on that color bands and see if they are in the right position.
How to program the coin acceptor. Here are the 5 coins that I'll be using to program the coin acceptors. 20p, 10p, 5p, 50p, and the £1. The need for 5 coins is not necessarily a good thing. I think you only just need 1 coin. So just treat this video as an example of how to program it with 5 coins. So just do it for 1 and pick whichever value you'll be happy with for 1 credit. Okay? So power it on, press these plus and minus, and A, set. E, so now we go how many coins we want. 5 types. If we're having just 1 coin, then just 1 type. Okay, so the first H is how many times when you hit the first coin will sample. So 15. Set. How many pulses it gets? This one gets 1. And then sensitivity 6. Alright, second one also. 15 samples, 2 pulses, it says 6. Second, the third one will also have 15 samples. That's 3. So 6. Fourth one is 4 pulse, 6, 6, that's 15 sample, 10 pulses, 6. Right, so that's done. Then we press to confirm and then press again to A1. Now we're ready to feed the coins into the coin acceptor and get it to register. Our first coin, which will be £1. So we need to do this 15 times. And then when that's done, we can then go to our next coin. Okay, so it's the first coin. And the 50p. Here goes the last coin, it flashes, and then it goes to 0, and then now it's all done. Now we'll just get the coins and test each one of them. Start with the 5p, I guess. That should then flash 5. Excellent. And 50p should be 2. 10p should be 3. Oh, 4, I mean. £1 is 1, and 20p is a 3. There we go. Right, so that means it's all working very well. So in episode 10, hardware and software setup, we have had that anti-micro software that we downloaded to use to find out what triggers a button. Now we go to the cabinet and we will now add some coins into it, and we should see it flash like so. So then we just add coins, and then we know which button it is. So it's button 2. So now with button 2 we go to the VPX table preference, and then we have the coin, we put button 2. Well done for getting this far and getting your coin acceptor to accept coins and get your credits. Well-deserved money for all that hard work. Anyway, so the next episode will be installing the solenoid, so you'll get some of this bit of tactile feel to it. This is very exciting. So until then, thanks for watching.